Hello guys, it's Imran here from Artintech. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a customer in Prospect software. So we'll start as we are in dashboard right now. We'll go in settings and we'll look for customer, hit customers. And here you can see we have already a bunch of customers over here. So adding a new one, we will hit plus. And here uh, in this window, we will add the customer information. So the name we have to add can be customer 1256, and then customer name, John, contact number, and then we need the email and address. And the billing address, if it is same, we can add same, or if it is different, we can add a different address over here. Then we have an option memo. So if you want to add any memo over here, you can add that, or if you want to skip that, you can skip that. Then we have an option to add a city. We'll add a city, then select province, and we'll select the province and the country and postal code. And here we can set the tax according to the province. So we'll select our province, and here we have payment terms. It says cash on delivery, 7 days due, 14 days due, immediately at sale before delivery. So we can select any one of that, whichever you want. Cash on delivery, I selected cash on delivery. And here you can use the same information, or you can use a different information. We'll select use customer information as it is the same, and we'll hit save. And here is our customer. We already create a profile for him. If you want to edit anything for in customer profile, you can go in here and change and hit save. And that's how we'll create a profile for the customer. Thank you.